I will cover a little bit about data science, what are the skill sets required if you want to go to into data science field, and also a few examples on how industry use data science in their day-to-day businesses. And after that, it is followed by the what are the funding opportunities if you're interested to get certifications, where you can find fund for you to get or to fund your courses and training and to get certifications in data science. And after that, it is followed by the Q&A session and also a quiz, a short quiz. So I think the price for the quiz is quite attractive. So please stay with us until the end of the sessions. So a very simple questions from the point that I will share with all of you today. Okay, so okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, data science. So data science is something that is like a hot topic or field in the recent few years. But actually data science is a field that is combinations of various different fields. So basically the three main fields that make up data science is computer science, mathematics and statistics, and also business knowledge. Okay, so the aim of this data science field is to get knowledge from the data sets that we have. So we might have a simple data sets or maybe a big data sets with thousands or millions of data that what we call now as a big data. So for this field, the people that want to get involved must have knowledge in these three field. For computer science, it is needed as in data science you are required to do codings. That the most basic one is Python, R, and also SQL. And for mathematics and statistics, you require knowledge in mathematical modeling and also what are the algorithm that is being used. So it helps you to understand how the analysis works and how to interpret the data. Okay, and the other thing that is required is business knowledge. So this will help you to understand what are the problem that is being faced by the business and how you can use data science to solve this problem and to provide solutions to this problem. So these are the three main areas that made up data science. Okay, if you have any questions, you can straightly ask, or you can wait until the Q&A sessions afterwards. Okay. Okay, so for data science, there is 7. This is the 7 main steps in data science. Okay, so it started with business understanding. Okay. Let me just mute some. Sorry, can I mute this, Marisa?
Sorry, I think Zua Suraya, she did not mute her mic. Can you mute the mic? Zua Suraya?
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. So I will proceed. Sorry about that. Okay, so for data science, there are 7 the main cycles in data science processes. So we start with business understanding on what are the problem being faced by the companies, and from there then only we can start with get where to get data and what should be done to find solutions for this problem. Okay, so once we know what we want to find out, we will begin with the data mining process, which is to gather the data that is necessary to help you to solve the problem. And this is followed by the data cleaning, data exploration, feature engineering, and also the predictive modeling inside the analysis, and let's say if you require visualizations, usually this is done by the data scientist, which is to present the analysis that they have done to the management or to those outside of the data science field, in the form of graphs or in the form of like a dashboard that is easier to be understood by other people. So these are the seven steps of data science life cycle. Okay, so that's a little bit info that about data science. Okay, so I will move to the other things. Okay, so let's say if you search for data science job, let's say in JobStreets or LinkedIn or any other platform, basically these are the term that is being used for the job scope in the data science. So it can be data analyst, data scientist, data engineer, machine learning specialist, data visualization specialist, business intelligence, and also operation research analyst. Okay, so if you came across this job title or positions when you look for searching for job, these are all related to data science field. Okay. So let's see the differences. I will choose about only 3. Okay, between data scientists, data engineers, and also data analysts. There are differences even though they belong to the same field, but there is a slight differences between the tasks of these job titles. So for data scientists, they involve more in the overall process of finding the hypothesis or the problem that the company want to solve. Okay, so they come up with hypothesis and also breaking it down into the objective, and also what are the methods that can be used to solve this problem. Okay, so basically for data scientists, the skills that they need, that they require are mathematics, programming, and also communications. Because in the end, they are the one that will communicate the findings to other people, to management, and also to stakeholders. Okay, so basically for data scientists, the skills that usually they require, or the basic one, is SQL, Python, and also R. Okay, and for data engineers is usually the one that is dealing with the data set itself. So they are more into the gathering the data, finding the data, and also dealing with the data sets, the database, the extraction, the transformation, and loading of the data sets. Okay, so basically data engineers, they will their job is dealing more with platforms such as Hadoop. Okay, not non-SQL database like MongoDB, and also they will use Python a lot. Python programming to do operations on these data sets. Okay, and the other one that we have is data analyst, or sometimes also known as a business analyst. So usually these data analysts will perform tasks that is being planned by the data scientists. Yeah? So basically, this analyst, the task is much more specific, like performing the analysis. Yeah, so they don't have to think of the bigger picture that is being done by the data scientists. So data analysts, they're dealing directly with the data set itself, yeah, like doing analysis, and most of the time they will use Excel and also SQL, yeah, in their day-to-day tasks. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Okay. Okay, so if you are interested in starting your career or thinking of going into this field, these are the required data sets, as I've mentioned before. You need to have basics in computer science, yeah, for programming. The programming is not something like hardcore programming like Java and things like that, but it's more into the like R statistics, Python, and also SQL. Okay, and you need to have knowledge as well in mathematics and statistics, yeah, because you need to have the understanding of the algorithm and also the model, and also the statistical methods that you want to use when you do your analysis. Okay, so maths and statistics is one of the areas that you need to know. Okay, and the other thing is business, yeah, business knowledge, yeah. So this one usually for fresh graduates, when you join the industry, yeah, let's say for example, you join or healthcare or manufacturing or finances, this can be learned when you start working, yeah, to know the business processes and also you know, problems and such things, yeah. So you develop your understanding of your industries to be able to get a better understandings of what are things that is required for you to solve, yeah, using data science. Okay, so these are the three main field, yeah, that you need to have. Okay, not to worry if you don't have any like, let's say any understandings in one of it. Let's say if you are maths or statistics graduates, but you did not have any experience or any skills in programming in R, in Python, and also like for IT students, yeah, who did not have basics in statistics and mathematics. Those things can be learned, yeah. So for now we have so many resources outside, open learning, and also online learning that you can go for, yeah. For example, Coursera or any other online classes, yeah, that can help you to develop understandings, to get basics in these areas, and to build a strong skills before you go in this field. Okay. So this is how data science being applied in industries, yeah. So we can say that almost all of the industries is using data science to help them to make better decisions, yeah. Even now, manufacturing, agriculture are also looking into analytics, yeah, to help them to monitor their farming processes, yeah, to get more yields, yeah, on their farm and things like that. Okay, so here I have a few examples. The first one is e-commerce, yeah. So I think everyone is quite familiar with online shopping. Okay, so basically this online shopping site like Shopee, Lazada, Amazon, they use, yeah, data analytics, yeah, to get to know their consumers better, yeah, to segment their consumers. So they perform analysis so they can see what kind of buyers are you, and they can promote more products to you that is matching to your segmentation, yeah, so you can buy more, yeah, from them. Okay, so that is the use of analysis in e-commerce. And in manufacturing, for example, for smart manufacturing, yeah, those what we call as Industry 4.0 smart manufacturing. So they use this data science to help them to increase the productivity of their manufacturing line. Yeah, for example, before this, when they produce something, by the end of the product life cycle, then only they can detect the defect of the product. But with analytics, predictive analytics, and paired with up-to-date sensors and things like that, they can avoid producing product with defects. Yeah, so this will cut the cost, yeah, and also the time, yeah, for the to manufacture goods. Yeah, okay. And other field like banking, okay, banking, healthcare, transport, and finances. So these are all the industries that use data science actively, yeah, in their day-to-day business processes. Okay, this is the real use cases of data science usage in industries. So we have Facebook that use analytics for social analytics. And here Amazon, yeah, this is for improving consumer experiences. Yeah, so they have recommendations as well. Let's say if you buy one item, they will recommend other item that other users, yeah, bought together with the item that they purchased. Okay, and we also have like Uber, or here we have Grab, right? Okay, so they use analytics to optimize rides. And we have in banking, in tourisms, and also in music industries. For example, Spotify, they use analytics to recommend, the types of musics to each different segments. Okay, so this is the real usage of data science in the current industries. Okay. Okay, so before I start with the data certifications, yeah, some examples of certifications that we have. Okay, I just want to share on the level 4s of Malaysian. Yeah, the latest one is from the Department of Statistics. You can see that over here, yeah, this is the unemployment rate. Okay. Which is 4.9%. Yeah, I think this one is by the January 2021. Okay, and also you can see that
Hello.
The unemployed,
Yes. Yeah.
Unemployed percentage is
I don't know.
about 52.9%. Okay, so why I share this is sorry, yeah, there is interruption, so let me just check first. Okay, I'll just continue. Okay, so the reason I share this is because let's say if you are fresh graduates looking for employment right now, it is quite challenging. Yeah, so just imagine hundreds of or even thousands of graduates coming out from universities during this pandemic have a hard time to find employment, right? So I think in during the post-pandemics later on, the market will slowly grow, right? So what can you do, yeah, to make you make you stand out from other job seekers. Okay, so certifications is one of it. Okay, by getting certifications, you show that you have the right skills and also have trained yourself in this field to start your career, yeah, in data science. Okay, so that is why I think by having certifications will help a lot, especially for fresh graduates or people that is looking for employment right now, yeah, during this challenging time, yeah. So by having certifications, you have something extra, yeah, from other people. Okay, so okay, so this is a study, yeah, done by the MDEC. Okay, it says here that up until 2020, 2040, 24, sorry, there will be increased in the demand for people that have skills in data analytics. Yeah, okay, since that during this pandemic time and moving forward, the companies or the industries are moving toward digitalizations. Yeah, so part of it that is needed in this process is data analytics. Okay, so it says here that the sectors that will need data analysis the most is service sectors, yeah, service sectors, banking and telecommunications, yeah, that will require people with these skills, yeah, from now up to this coming few years, yeah. Okay, so this is the right time, yeah, to get the right skills and also the right certifications if you want to build your career in this field. Okay. Okay. So I want to share a little bit on the how much this data scientists and also data analysts make, yeah, per month in Malaysia. Okay, so in average for that data scientist is much higher, yeah, because the job scope is much bigger. Okay, starting from finding the business problems, formalizing the hypothesis up until the presentations of the results, yeah. So the scope is much higher than data analysts. So you can see as a start, data scientists can make with 2 years, within 2 years in the field, starting can be 6,000, around 6,005, yeah. And for data analysts, within 2 years of starting in the career, they can get around 3,400, yeah. So this is in Malaysian market, yeah, the salary that these data scientists and also the data analysts can expect when they are working in this field. Okay. Okay. So okay, this is our main part of our session for today. What are the certifications available in this data science field? Okay, so there are a lot of certifications available. So basically, I can group it into two. Okay, one is vendor neutral certification. Okay, which is not tied to any platform. Okay, and the other one is platform-based certifications. Okay, so later on I will go one by one, yeah, to these certifications over here. Okay, so all of these are and internationally recognized certifications, yeah, meaning that if you are certified in this with this, wherever you go or wherever you applied for a job, it is globally recognized. Okay. Okay, so I will start with the platform-based certification first, yeah, before I go to the vendor neutral certifications. Okay, so the first one that we have is here is Dell. Dell also provide data science certifications called Dell EMC data science track. Okay, so under this Dell data science track, they have two programs. So the first one is data science associate, and also data science specialist. Okay, so for the first one, data science associate, it covers the foundations of data science and big data analytics. So once you pass this one, the first stage, you can go for the second one, which is data science specialist certification. So for this data science specialist, it will focus more on natural language processing, advanced analytical methods, and also other platform like Hadoop, PeakHive, HBase, and also visualizations. Yeah, okay. So for this Dell certification, the cost for the exam, yeah, this is for the exam only, not including the training or classes, books, and materials. Yeah, it's just for the exams. It is USD 230 per exam. Yeah, okay. It's about 1,000 something, yeah, 1,000 ringgit, 1,000 plus ringgit. Okay, and for this Dell EMC, once you get these certifications, it will be a lifetime certifications. Yeah, it does not expire. Okay. Okay, so this is from Dell. And other than that, we have IBM. IBM also offer data science certifications, which is called the IBM Data Science Professional Cert. Yeah, okay. So for this one, it consists of 9 courses. Yeah, in data science. Okay, this is a free one. Okay. You can access this IBM data science in Coursera. Okay, so the course is free. You can register. I think they have a certain period or starting time. Yeah, you can go to Coursera to check it out. Okay, it's free. And for this certificate, it is a lifetime as well. Yeah, this one does not expire. Okay, I think this IBM is a good start. Yeah, if you really want to develop yourself in data science field, this is a good start for new learners or for beginners. Yeah, okay. And the third one that we have is Microsoft. Okay, so under this Microsoft, we have the Azure Data Scientist Associate. Okay, this certification is focusing on the machine learning. Okay, machine learning use on the Microsoft platform. Okay, for the exam itself, it costs 165 USD, about 800 ringgit. Yeah, if you want to take this exam. Okay, this one does not expire as well. Once you take it, that's it. Yeah, you don't have to retake the new version, things like that. Okay, and then we also have SAS. Yeah, SAS data science certification. Okay, so for SAS, they have actually many modules in it. Yeah, many certifications in it. So for examples, they have SAS based programming, and then they have certifications for visual analytics, for predictive modeler, machine learning, and many others. Yeah, so for the SAS certifications, the cost for the exam is about 180 USD per exam. This one does not include the training and also the study materials. Yeah, okay, and this does not expire as well. Okay, later on I will share more about this one, data science certifications, because at SHRDC we offer this. Okay. And moving to the open. Yeah, this is neutral, vendor neutral certifications. The one that I have shown just now is all vendor or platform based solutions, where for SaaS you have to use SaaS platform. For Microsoft, it's Microsoft platform. Yeah, okay. And for this one, this is vendor neutral certifications. Okay, the first one here is certified analytics professional. Okay, so for this vendor free, vendor neutral certification, it is more for experienced practitioners. Okay, for example, here in order for you to get certified analytics professional certs, you need to have 3 years, 3 years of related experience. That if you have master in related field, meaning that let's say if you are a graduate from mathematics, statistics, actuarial science, or IT, or business studies. If you have masters in those fields, it will require you to have 3 years of experience. Okay, and for those that only have bachelor degree in those fields, you are required to have 5 years of related experience. Okay, and in case let's say you are from engineering, you did not have any experiences in IT, in data analytics, in statistics, you are required to have 7 years of experience in order for you to get certifications under this CAP. Okay, so for CAP, the cost is about 500 USD, or if you are a non-member, is about 700 USD. Okay, to get this cert. Okay, and for this CAP, it is only valid for 3 years, meaning if you want to renew, you have to retake the assessment. So I think this way they want to ensure that those that is being certified by CAP have the most recent knowledge or skills in the field. Okay, and the other one in under this vendor neutral certifications is DESCA Principal Data Scientist. Okay, so this is from the US, and under this DESCA, there are 3 tracks. This is also for people that are already in the industry. For example, let's say you work in the data science field as a data analyst later on, or data scientist, data engineers for 10 years or more, and you want to get certifications. This is one of the certifications that is available for those with experience. Okay, so the 3 track that they have, each of these track, the first one is about 850. Okay, 850 USD. Okay, track number 2 is slightly cheaper, 300 USD, and track number 3 is 950. Track number 3, sorry, track number 1 and 2 is 850, 850 USD. Track number 3 is 300 USD, and track number 4 is 950 USD. Okay, so for this one, once you are certified as DESCA Principal Data Scientist, it is for a lifetime. So this does not expire. Okay. Okay, so remember this. The first non-vendor is CAP, Certified Analytics Professional, and also a DESCA. Okay. Okay. The other 2 that is under the vendor neutral, we have OpenCDS. Okay, so this is also experience based for those that are already in the industry. Okay, this one it requires 3 steps that involves you applying for the certifications, and then they have a section where you have to complete your experience application, and also board review for you to be able to be certified under the OpenCDS. Okay, so this one does not expire as well. Okay, and the last one that we have under the non-vendor, non-platform, is Cloudera Certified Associate, CCA. Okay, this is more for data engineers, as it deals more with data sets. Okay, so this is for the SQL developer, where you have to pull the data, generate the reports from this platform. Okay, the cost for this one is 295 per exams. Okay, so this one is valid for 2 years. Okay. Okay, so let me just go back to this one. Okay, so these are all, yeah, these are all the options that is available if you are interested to get certification in data science. Okay, as a start, if you are beginners, new learners, I suggest you to go for the one in the Coursera, yeah, the free one, which is this one, IBM Data Science Professional Certificate. Since it's free, you don't have to pay anything. You just have to invest your time, yeah, to go through the content in Coursera, and by the end of the course, if you complete everything together with, I think they have a capstone project as well, yeah, to test your knowledge and your skills in data science. This is a good start, yeah, because it's free and it's online. Okay, so you can access it anytime, anywhere. Okay, the rest is you can consider next, yeah. If you have extra budgets or if there is fund available, you can go for the other options. Okay. So okay, so the last one that I have in my sharing session is the funding opportunities, yeah. So here in Malaysia we have actually a lot of agencies. For example, MDEC also offer data science program, yeah. Yayasan Peneraju and SHRDC also have funded program as well, yeah, for data science. We started in 2017. Now we have about like 10 groups that already completed the funded program. Okay, all the training fees, the exam fees, the material is given to the students, so it's all funded. You don't have to pay for anything to join this program. The students even receive allowance, yeah, monthly allowances when they join this program. Okay, so it's a 3 months program. And we have this SAS, yeah. So we focus on SAS data science certifications, where we have 3 certifications, which is base programming, visual analysis, and also machine learning, yeah. So let's say if you are fresh graduates in mathematics, statistics, actual science, IT, that is interested to develop your career in data science, you can inform us. We can take your resumes, and when we have the fund available, we can invite you for briefing and also interview sessions, yeah, if you're interested. Okay. Okay, so this is this is what I want to share from the SHRDC side, yeah. Okay, okay, almost 1 hour, yeah. We have another about like 13 minutes left. Okay, so I think I will leave some of the time for the Q&A and also for quiz. Okay, so if you have any questions, you just inform us. Okay, it's open for the QA session.
All right, everyone. If you guys have any questions, do unmute your mic. You can just ask Dr. Zila straight away or type in the chat box if you have any. If everyone has answered the questions, the quiz, maybe Dr. Zila, you can discuss the answers for the quiz.
Okay, okay. There's 2 simple questions, yeah. Okay, let me just go to that. Okay. Wait, yeah. Let's view. Okay, so the first one is how many steps are in the data science life cycle? Okay, so this is from the beginning of my presentation. So we have 7, yeah. So the answer is 7. Okay, so it's this one, yeah. Okay, 7 steps, okay, in the data science life cycle. And then the second question is which one is the vendor neutral certificate? The answer is this one, certified analytics professional, yeah. Because for this one, Dell, SAS, and IBM are all tied to the platform. Okay, so the answer is certified analytics professional. Okay, so that's the answer for this two questions. Okay.
So everyone, please be sure to like and follow SHRDC Facebook page. I will share it in the chat box here, so you guys can keep up with our events and whatever that is happening with SHRDC. All right, so I already shared it in the chat box, so you can just click on it and like and follow if you guys haven't. All right. So, Dr. Zila, do you have anything that you would like to add before we finish today's session?
Okay, so for fresh graduates especially, or those that are looking for a job that meet the criteria, if you're interested to get certifications, funded certifications from SHRDC, we might have maybe 2 groups that will start this year. So you can connect with us, leave your resume, okay? We will share more information with you. So other than that, there's a lot of other options as well, for you to get funding outside to get the certifications. So you just have to explore outside. Okay. Okay. I think that's it from me for today. Marisa, okay, leave it to you. Okay.
All right. Thank you very much, Dr. Zila. All right. Thank you very much, and have a nice weekend, everybody.
Thank you. Bye.
Stay safe. Stay home.